Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make a corn soup in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, if you want to make the corn soup, you need to have the corn soup recipe. And you can get the recipe from Masimo's cooking store. But if you want to unlock the recipe guys, you need to reach level 5 in your cooking hobby. Once you have level 5, you can immediately go to Masimo and buy the corn soup recipe. Okay, and I'm going to go to my stove and I'm going to show you how we can make the corn soup. Okay, and this is the recipe for corn soup. You need milk, butter, and also corns. But I haven't planted the corns yet, so I'm going to replace it with the universal ingredient. And I'm going to click on start cooking. Okay, and this is my first time making the corn soup. Okay, wait. Don't forget to adjust the heat level to avoid the bizarre food. And you can get the corn guys after you reach level 6 in your gardening hobby, but don't worry, if you haven't reached level 6 you can use the universal ingredients just like I did. Okay, I've just unlocked the corn soup. Okay guys, and that's how we can make the corn soup in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.